The first stop on our journey ushers us to the majestic Taj Mahal, a symbol of undying love and architectural brilliance. This exquisite marble mausoleum, nestled in the heart of Agra, is a testament to the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is not just a monument, but a poetic expression crafted in the purest form of white marble. Its magnificence is further elevated by the intricate carvings that embellish its walls, a dedication to perfection by the artisans of the bygone era. The tranquil Yamuna River flowing gently beside it adds to the transcendental beauty. This ethereal combination of architectural masterpiece and natural aesthetics create a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. Next, we journey to the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. This magnificent desert, also recognized as the Great Indian Desert, stretches as the eyes can see, covering a colossal area of around 200,000 square kilometers. As we venture deep into this enormous terrain, we're greeted by an ocean of golden sands, creating a mesmerizing and unique landscape that is unlike any other. In this, you get to experience an unforgettable camel ride, navigating the undulating dunes under a setting sun that paints the sky in a multitude of vibrant colors. As the blazing sun dips below the horizon, you'll witness the desert turn into a canvas of vibrant hues. Our third destination is the breathtaking Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an absolute spectacle to behold, covered in a vibrant blanket of a myriad of different flowers. These flowers, ranging in colors from the deepest purples to the most radiant yellows, create a sea of color that stretches as far as the eye can see. In the heart of Uttarakhand, this valley breathes life into the region, attracting nature enthusiasts and tourists from all over the world. The fragrance of the flowers envelops the air, creating an ambiance that is both calming and invigorating. As you walk through this floral wonderland, admiring the exquisite beauty of each individual blossom, you'll find an array of flora, some of which are extremely rare and unique to this region. Each step you take is a step taken in nature's gallery of beauty. Walking through this floral wonderland feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Fourth on our list is the mesmerizing backwaters of Kerala. This majestic water world is truly a sight to behold. The moment you step onto a traditional houseboat, you embark on a remarkable journey. As you leisurely glide through the labyrinth of canals and lagoons, you are embraced by lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. The emerald green water beneath reflects the vibrant foliage, creating an enchanting sight. The tranquility of the water is only disturbed by the gentle ripples you make as you traverse this water wonderland. Often you'll witness a captivating spectacle of the sky, ever-changing with the sun's movements. A canvas of hues and tones that can leave you amidst the chorus of chirping birds and the whispering breeze. You lose yourself in this serene setting. It's a paradise that needs to be seen to be believed. We now travel to the awe-inspiring Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. Nestled in the heart of South Asia, these dense, swampy lands stretch as far as the eye can see, home to a rich and diverse array of flora and fauna. The Sundarbans is a place where nature's magic unfolds at every nook and corner. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a jewel that shines bright in the crown of Mother Nature. In this astonishing labyrinth of green lives the majestic ruler, the Royal Bengal tiger. The complex, intertwining roots of the mangroves and the soothing, quiet rhythm of the ebbing and flowing tides create an atmosphere and a landscape that's truly unique. Sixth, we venture to the mysterious caves of Ajanta and Ellora in Maharashtra. Stepping into these caves feels like traveling in a time machine back to ancient India. These rock-cut caves are not just geological wonders, but they are also treasure troves of religious and historical significance. Built painstakingly over centuries, the caves are home to an intricate network of temples filled with ancient Buddhist, Jain, and Hindu art. The walls are adorned with murals and carvings that narrate epic tales and principles of these religions. Here, history, culture, and spirituality intermingle, creating a mesmerizing ambiance that fascinates visitors. These caves are a testament to human perseverance, ingenuity, and devotion. The experience of exploring these caverns is almost ethereal, with echoes of ancient prayers reverberating through its silent chambers. The art and architecture are a brilliant testament to the skills of the artisans of old. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora are not just hollowed rocks, but living museums that whisper stories of a bygone era to the attentive listener. They take you back in time to a world of legends and mythology. Our seventh stop is the serene Dal Lake in Kashmir. This magnificent water body is nestled amidst majestic mountains in the ethereal valley of Kashmir, a region often deemed as heaven on earth. The Dal Lake isn't just an ordinary lake. It's a microcosm of the vibrant, unique culture of Kashmir. This lake, also known as the jewel in the crown of Kashmir, is a mesmerizing sight to behold. It is studded with hundreds of colorful shikaras, which are traditional wooden boats, and intricate houseboats that offer a peek into the local lifestyle. These floating homes and shops contribute to the lake's iconic floating markets, a spectacle that captivates every visitor. As the sun sets, the lake bathes in orange and purple hues, reflecting the ethereal beauty of the sky above. The lake, with its shimmering waters and floating markets, paints a picture of peace and tranquility. Eighth on our list is the towering Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. This magnificent mountain is situated in the heart of the majestic Himalayan range. A stunning display of nature's grandeur, Kanchenjunga is a breathtaking sight that never fails to leave onlookers in awe. Its snow-capped peak, a gleaming white against the vast blue expanse of the sky, serves as a constant reminder of the beauty and wonder the world has to offer. What makes it more mesmerizing is that this mountain isn't solely about its height, but also the sheer volume and massiveness that it carries. The journey to its peak is a challenging trek that promises an unforgettable adventure. On clear days, the mountain reveals itself in its full glory, a spectacular panorama that is both serene and fearsome. Bathed in the warm glow of the sun, the snow on the mountain sparkles, creating a beautifully ethereal scene. Nestled in the Himalayan range, its snow-capped peak against a clear blue sky is a sight to behold. Ninth, we journey to the Great Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. Now you might wonder, what makes this place so unique and worth visiting? Well, Great Rann of Kutch is not just any desert. It is one of the largest salt deserts on the planet, covering a massive area that is visible even from space. This mind-boggling vastness is what gives it its singular beauty. When the sun sinks below the horizon and the moon ascends, something truly magical happens. The moonlight, pure and ethereal, falls gently on the bleached white salt plains. This nocturnal illumination transforms the desert into a surreal landscape. The white salt under the moon's soft glow starts to shine, to shimmer, to sparkle. This spectacle is so mesmerizing, it's as if the desert has turned into a sea of diamonds. Lastly, but not at all the least, we reach the historic city of Hampi in Karnataka. The ruins here stories of a splendid past, making it an absolute gem for history lovers and admirers of architecture. Now we've journeyed through 10 of the most mesmerizing scenes and must-visit attractions in the vibrant country of India. Ranging from the awe-inspiring Taj Mahal to the gleaming Great Rann of Kutch, each of these places presents a distinctive peek into the multifaceted beauty of this remarkable land. These destinations are a blend of historic wonders and natural spectacles that invite exploration. Thank you for accompanying us on this magical journey. Until time, continue your explorations.